The pilot reportedly requested an unusual route before the plane lost contact. The airline says a crisis center has been set up and search and rescue operations are underway. Now, according to Reuters news service, it's reporting that 155 people are on board the Airbus 320, like the one you see here on your screens. It says Indonesian TV is reporting all but 6 of the passengers are Indonesian. The others, 3 Koreans, 1 from Singapore, 1 from the UK, and 1 other individual from Malaysia. I want to bring you the statement that we're just getting from Air Asia Indonesia. They've confirmed in a statement that flight QZ8501 from Surabaya to Singapore lost contact with air traffic control at 7:24 a.m. local time Sunday morning. The statement goes on to say this: at the present time, we unfortunately have no further information regarding the status of the passengers and crew members on board, but we will keep all parties informed as more information becomes available. Now, to remind you once again that this aircraft was an Airbus A320-200, and at this time, search and rescue operations are in progress. We are closely monitoring this story for you that an Air Indonesian flight from the Indonesian city of Surabaya on its way to Singapore has lost contact with air traffic controllers with 155 people on board. We will continue to closely monitor this story for you and bring you more developments as they come into us.